Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can log in back into your KakaoTalk account. If you do not have an account yet, make sure to check our other video where you can learn how to sign up for a KakaoTalk account on your phone. So let's get started. First of all, open the KakaoTalk app on your phone. You will then be taken to an interface like this where you will have to enter the email or phone number that you used previously and then enter the password. So when you enter the phone number, don't forget to enter the country code as well and your phone number correctly. Then enter your password and click on login. And after that, you will be required to enter your phone number again where you will receive a verification code. Click on OK and OK again on the pop-up option. You will then receive a verification code. So I have entered for the verification code. You will then be taken to an interface like this where you will simply have to click on the continue option and then click on OK, and there you go. You have now successfully logged into your KakaoTalk account. Thank you for watching till the end. If the video was helpful, make sure to subscribe the channel.